Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Top 7 Anti-Aging Foods You Need in Your 40s. As we age, the foods we eat can greatly affect our fitness, appearance, quality of life, and disease risk. It's important to note that eating specific foods isn't going to make you look noticeably younger, and that nutrition is only one aspect of aging well. Here are 7 foods that support healthy aging. Number 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes provide many impressive health benefits, several of which can be attributed to their high lycopene content. Lycopene is a type of carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color. It also acts as an antioxidant to help reduce the risk of chronic disease. Studies in human skin samples show that lycopene may also provide a small amount of protection from the damaging rays of the sun. In one study, women who drank an antioxidant-rich beverage containing lycopene, soy isoflavones, fish oil, and vitamins C and E every day had a measurable decrease in wrinkle depth after 15 weeks. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals that are essential for health. Their high content of monounsaturated fat may help promote healthy skin by supporting a healthy skin membrane, while their high antioxidant content may fight free radicals that damage and age the skin. Number 3. Pomegranates. They're high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin K, which help support a healthy heart. They're likewise rich in antioxidants, such as flavonols, tannins, phenolic acids, and lignans. Antioxidants found in pomegranates may also help support healthy skin aging by decreasing UV skin damage and brown spot caused by sun exposure. These antioxidants also help protect the skin's existing collagen and promote the skin to make new collagen. Number 4. Flax seeds. They contain lignans, which are a type of polyphenol that has antioxidant effects, and may lower your risk of developing a chronic disease, such as heart disease and breast cancer. They are also a great source of an omega-3. Consuming a diet rich in omega-3 fats helps support a healthy skin membrane by helping your skin stay hydrated and plump. Number 5. Vegetables. They contain antioxidants, which help reduce the risk of heart disease, cataracts, and certain cancers. Many vegetables are also high in carotenoids, like beta-carotene and lycopene. Some research suggests that a diet high in carotenoids may protect the skin against the sun's UV rays, which are the main cause of premature skin aging. Some of the best sources of beta-carotene are carrots, pumpkin, sweet potatoes. Number 6. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest oils on earth. It's rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage caused by an imbalance of free radicals in the body. Extra virgin olive oil is also high in antioxidants, such as tocopherols and beta-carotene, as well as phenolic compounds that also have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants, which can help fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules created as a byproduct of normal cell functioning. They can also form in response to stressors from the external environment, such as ultraviolet light or tobacco smoke. Free radicals can damage your cells if they're present at high levels. The foods you eat can play a role in the health of your skin, including in how your skin changes as you get older. Along with eating a nutritious diet full of whole, plant-based foods, consider protecting your skin with other habits, such as wearing sunscreen, avoiding smoking, staying physically active, and using appropriate skincare products. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.